Hi, third graders at Woodland Elementary School. This is Mrs. Delaney, and I'm coming to you today to provide some step-by-step instructions on how you can share your artwork with me and Mrs. Duart over Google Classroom. I'm on third grade stream. This is where Mrs. Duart and I will put lots of instructions or different things to consider throughout the week. And if you look here, there's a message and it says third grade student artists, please do not attach any more artwork to the portfolio. Boys and girls, many students have been really struggling with attaching artwork to the portfolio. So we've actually included a new way, hopefully an easier way for you to share your artwork with us every week. How do you share your artwork this week? This stream message gives you step-by-step instructions on what you can do to share your artwork. However, today I'm going to help you by doing a visual and audio recording that's going to guide you through this exact same process. So here it goes. Boys and girls, I want you to scroll up and hit Classwork tab up at the top of your page. You're going to scroll down and see the week of 420 to 424. That's this current week. And I'm going to go ahead and click on the colorful name design project, and I'm going to view the assignment. Here we have the colorful name design project. It says third grade student artists, please look at and read the process board, the colorful name design. These slides give you detailed instructions. Be creative and have fun. This is your process board. You can look at and read over your process board and decide, are you going to create your own artwork based on the colorful name design assignment? Or you can decide for number 2, create your own art piece inspired by art materials you love working with. Or the third option, which is creating an art piece inspired by the art creations at home link here. This is the Woodland Art website. Gives you lots of ideas of ways to kind of get your artwork started. You can choose any one of these 3 options, but you're going to post your artwork in the same spot for this week. How am I going to share this? I am going to take my mouse and scroll over to Add or Create so that I can post my artwork for this week. Now, depending on where your assignment is saved at, your photograph is saved at, you may decide to click on Google Drive link or file. Most of you, I would imagine, are going to have a photograph that's saved in your Google Drive. So that's what I'm going to click. And here my Google Drive opens up, and I'm going to click on My Drive. Now, when I click on My Drive, it should have a lot of my artwork, a lot of my documents from my different classes, and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to click on the image I want to share with Mrs. Delaney and Mrs. Duart. I'm actually sharing an image from my daughter's Google Drive so that I could show you exactly what this might look like. So here's my daughter painting. I've actually clicked on this image and I'm going to click Add on this assignment. Look how this artwork was just uploaded. Once I've uploaded this assignment, all I have to do is click Turn In. And I can turn it in again over here. And now Mrs. Delaney and Mrs. Duart can actually see the artwork that you've created for this past week. Boys and girls, just follow the step-by-steps and know that you might run into some issues or challenges. Reach out over email. Feel free to reach out to Mrs. Duart or myself. Our emails are on the stream as well, so definitely check that out if you need to reach out to us. But I think this should give you a good start on how to share your work with us. We're excited to see your artwork this week. You've done a beautiful job so far. Talk soon.